Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now. Grab a multimeter, wire strippers, heat shrink tubing, and either a soldering iron or high-quality electrical tape. Inspect the cable and identify the exact frayed spot. Mark about 1 to 2 cm on each side of the damage so you remove only the bad segment. Once done, make a clean, perpendicular cut through the jacket. This gives you straight, even ends to strip. This step preserves shielding and prevents further stress at the repair point. Once you have straight ends, strip the outer jacket about 3 to 4 mm and expose each conductor. Then strip roughly 2 to 3 mm of insulation from each wire. Be careful not to nick the copper. Match light-colored conductors and twist them. If soldering, pre-tin each twisted pair so the joint stays solid and the resistance stays low, which is critical for fast charging. Make sure the shield or drain wire is reconnected to maintain grounding, and finish by soldering or crimping each joint. Then slide the heat shrink over the repair and apply even heat so it seals and relieves strain. Once cool, test continuity with a multimeter and plug into a low-power charger first. Watch for excess heat, a loose connection, or slower than expected charge rates, because fast charging needs low resistance. If you still see problems, replace the cable. Sometimes connectors or the charger, not the cable, cause faults, so swap components to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.